Hi there, my name's Alyssa, and in this apartment series video for Hacks on a Budget, I'll be giving you little organizing hacks for around the bedroom that will take away clutter and help you regain control of your space. Everything I'm using today was bought from the dollar store, so these are really cost-effective and easy tricks to help you get that room organized. The first organizing hack I'll show you today is an amazing way to organize your scarves. If you've ever stored scarves in a box at the bottom of your closet, thrown them up onto the shelf of your closet, or even just threw 3 or 4 over each other on a hanger, this hack will not only save space, but the time that it takes to find the one you're looking for as well. What you'll need for this hack is a hanger and some shower curtain rings. Personally, I like to use the velvet hangers because I like the aesthetics of the metal shower curtain rings. The only problem with them is that they tend to slide more than the plastic ones. The velvet on the hanger will prevent that sliding. So to do this, you just clip the rings onto the hanger and voila, your scarves are all in one organized place. This trick can also be used for tank tops or undershirts to save some drawer space as well. Another useful hack for organizing your clothes and saving space is to create a chain that allows you to hang multiple hangers from one. For this hack, I'm going to use some jute rope, but you can choose whatever type of rope you want, just as long as it's sturdy. So we're going to start by cutting the rope into equal lengths. You want to make sure the rope is long enough to tie the knots easily because we'll be making the links of the chain. As my father always says, measure twice, cut once. So you want to make sure that the lengths are easy enough for you to tie. Once the rope is cut into equal pieces, we will begin building the chain. We're going to start with making the first link, and then before tying the second, you connect it with the previous one. Continue this process until your chain is the desired length. I make mine about 1 foot long, so I can hang about 4 pieces per chain. This is great for those who don't have much closet space. Next, we're going to work on those pesky charging cables. I have a couple of hacks that you can use as a great way to keep these from being a tangled eyesore on your floor. For the first hack, what you'll need is some binder clips. By attaching these to the back of your nightstand or bureau, you have instant hooks to store your chargers and keep them out of sight. Another problem a lot of people face is that we tend to keep cables and wires for everything in the same place, creating a drawer full of tangled wires. A great way to organize and store your wires is to keep them separate. A cheap and easy way to do this involves a box you have laying around the house, think shoebox or old gift box, and either toilet paper or paper towel rolls. Simply cut the paper roll in to fit the box vertically and fill the box entirely. This will create separate pockets for each wire individually. It's as simple as that, and using these cheap and easy tricks, you'll never have to untangle another wire again. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Apartment Series. If you have any tips or tricks that you love that are inexpensive and make your life easier, please share in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this page. We'll be back next week with an all-new episode for Hacks on a Budget.